Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to turn on a VPN while using UC Browser. So first, open UC Browser on your phone and now check the browser settings or tools section for any VPN feature available in your version. And if UC Browser provides a built-in VPN option, then open it and follow the instructions to activate it. You may need to select an available server or location before connecting. And once connected, check the VPN indicator or connection status shown by the browser. If your version of UC Browser doesn't include a built-in VPN, then you'll need to use a reputable VPN app from your phone's official app store instead. Install the VPN app, sign in if required, and choose a server and connect to it. Then open UC Browser and browse normally through the VPN connection. And remember that a VPN doesn't make you completely anonymous online and it doesn't make unsafe websites safe. Also check local laws and terms of the websites you're accessing. So that was how to connect UC Browser through a supported VPN. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.